Number 9, number 99, number 99, number 99. Yes, folks. This is, if I haven't miscount, this is the video number 99 in this channel. And I can hardly explain why I'm speaking English right now, perquè els 23 que tenen el bon criteri, la decència i la salut mental de mirar els meus vídeos, no cal que els hi parli en anglès. Era per fer-ho així més pseudotranscendent. En fi, per aquest número, que no deixa de ser un altre número, provaré de fer variations, així ens tornem a fotre així anglòfons, per fer-nos el savi hondo, el savi profund. Variations on Bob Dylan's You're a Big Girl Now. And just an experiment, of course, and hope will like it. You know what I mean? I don't. Yeah. Let's go. És un experiment amb el You're a Big Girl Now, com ha quedat semiclar, però farem algunes variacions harmòniques. Was sure and sweet. It nearly swept me off my feet, and I'm back in the lane, and you were on that land. You made it somehow. You're a big girl now. There on the horizon, sitting on a fence, he's singing a song for me at his own expense, and I'm just like that bird, singing just for you. I hope that you can hear me singing to these tears. Time is a jet plane, it moves too fast. Oh, what a shame it all we've shared could last. I can't change, I swear. See what you can do. I can make it too. You can make it too. Love is too simple to quote a phrase. You know it all the time, I'm learning it these days. And I know I will find you in somebody's room. The price I gotta pay. You're a big girl all the way. A change in the weather can be extreme. Oh, what a taste will share. In the streams I'm going out of my mind. Oh, with a pain that stops and starts. Ooh, like a corkscrew to my heart. Ever since we've been apart. Ooh. Bye.